This is Ratchet Raychel. Today's Ratchet Raychel lesson.
Hey kids, so I have a secret, and I don't know who to tell.
Oh girl, tell me! Tell me! Me! Tell me!
I don't know, Rach.
What do you mean you don't know? Tell me!
Can I trust you?
Yeah, girl, you can trust me. Come on, tell
Are
me.
you sure?
Bitch, shit. Yeah, say yeah, tell me. Shit, come on. Tell me.
Okay.
Tell me.
Okay.
God damn! Your breath stinky as fuck! Shit! Okay, come on. Keep telling me the secret. Keep telling me. Come on.
Okay.
Ooh. Shit! Yo, freaky ass shit. That's freaky as fuck. Ooh, hey, I got a secret too. Do you want to hear my secret?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, well, what done happened was...
Wait, Rach, you gotta whisper it. You gotta whisper it in my ear.
Okay, I don't play that freaky shit, but okay, I'll do it anyway. What done happened was I was having... Oh, your ear is dirty. Shit, that's
What?
nasty.
No,
See,
it is not.
I'm just gonna say my secret out loud because you can't hear me. What done happened was... She gave it up with the first...
No, Rachel, no. No.
She gave it up with the first night and it was to the cameraman. Secrets. That's what a secret is.
Yeah, thanks, Rachel.
You're welcome. That's the Ratchet Raychel Show.
That's the Ratchet Raychel Show. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now.